2 cells is lightning going off down south there too.
Here, right?
We'll get out of here, Ethan.
Hear it?
Oh, we're up in Strathmore too. We come to the right place. Look at them clouds, look. Look at that. Look. Look.
Another cell's moving in fast. Look at that.
Hey, they're 471.
471. I'm gonna give you some change here, friend.
Sorry?
I'm gonna give you some.
It's not even lightning over there. You can just hear it. It's just churning.
Thanks.
Look at that green tinge. Hey, it's green tingy. Look. You can see it. Oh, feel the wind off of it. I don't think we're gonna escape. This is only that first batch of severe storms.
That's pretty big over there, eh?
I think. Yeah.
Where should I go, you think?
Right there. See all the nasty clouds? Woof!
Nasty there, too.
I don't know where to go. It's all around us. There's this... Oh my god, look at the green!
Let's go there.
Look at the green! Look at the green. It's almost gonna do its green thing. Oh! There's rotation in these, too!
Oh.
Oh my god, now this is what I call an Alberta storm chase. Sorry, I know you're eating ice cream, but... Yeah, baby, here we go again.
Look at this thing.
We could go this way, we could go that way, but I think the meat's here.
Over there.
Oh, hill core. That's a hill core.
Lightning.
Where?
You caught it, you just didn't see it.
Oh my god. And then we can go, I don't know, it's everywhere. We can
Look at all the curtains of precipitation around us. I gotta put that up a bit.
That's green in there. See that little tinge?
Oh, that's great. Cool.
here's there's cells all around us.
Back in Strathmore now, looks like it's getting a little lighter. This thing is moving at quite a rapid pace, and it's kind of hard to.
Look at, there's even more clouds there. gotta go the other way. This is gonna lose its steam, yeah.
It's shifty crack, you don't know where it's going, right?
Look at it. Hail. It's hailing.
Hold on here, Heath. This might be... This thing followed us. Hail at the side. There. Pretty good chunks, brother.
Yep. Major hailstorm right now. Oh.
see that?
Yep. Man, this is an active weather day.
Whatever. The old crops are liking this stuffy.
It's still healing.
It's everywhere, eh? Everywhere now. No, it's not one part of this whole thing. Maybe down south it's building bigger. But it's everywhere.
I don't think she's done yet either. I got that, I think. Big lightning strike.
Let's go back that way.
Yep.
Then we'll head back towards
Lot of lightning.
Langdon and home here.
Yeah. Lot of lightning with these cells all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Now the worst of it came over here.
Activated over there.
Yeah. I imagine our place got some of this, but not.
Oh, I hope it's enough right off the water today.
And we're driving right into that hill court. I think I may have caught a big lightning strike around the 21-minute mark. Have you ever seen it this pissed off this early, and then we are under a rainfall warning for tomorrow and coming days?
Wow.
It's worse here. Oh. Oh, I think I got that on film. Lightning strike over there.
I am turning the other way, but I saw something in the corner of my eye.
But it's raining so frickin' hard, it's hard to see. Well, we made it an eventful day. I knew it when that storm was going towards Airdrie.
Well, it was good, bud. We went in and you had a couple
I
of
think
drinks.
Chestermere might get some of this later on. Whoa!
Oh,
I don't know if I got that or not. Can you hear the thunder from it, even from inside? And I almost got some rotation today, pretty damn close. It might have dropped a funnel, eh? And you just said you don't see funnel activity this time of the year very often, and it was pretty darn close in my book.
oh!
I think I may have got that one too. My camera was pointing out.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Oh man, it's storming hard this way. I got some mega footage today. Whoa! Where did that come from?
I don't know.
Can you hear it? You might have to slow down here and just take it easy. These storms are packing a punch. Now this is the type of storm chase I wanted. Yesterday was just a test. Oh God, we're going
Into the teeth of it, are we?
wow. I think it might be hailing. Yep. It's hailing. Look at it. Do you feel the wind from this? This is pure ice now. Oh God, look at it.
Four cows are all huddled together.
Whoa, I missed that.
Look at that thing over there, you can't see anything. Oh. Defrosting. Did you see how bad that was?
Yeah. Oh, look at the hill.
Storm chaser extraordinaire, yeah.
Look at the hill. Jeez. Have you ever seen Alberta? I have never seen Alberta this irritated this early in the year.
It's very early for it.
Look it, it's coming down so hard you can see it coming down from the sky.
Hear it?
Yeah, look at it. Is that the wind?
That was lightning.
Yeah,
Was it?
yeah.
Man, it hit somewhere close. I thought the car backfired.
Did I just get that on film?
Man, you nearly jumped out of your skin.
Fuck.
Did you hear how close that was? That was like a gunshot right behind us.
Yeah. Oof.
Did we have lightning that close before?
No, I was on the train once and it almost hit our train. But not that close. That was insane. My heart just dropped for a minute, eh? Whoa.
Mine too. I'm just saying, wow. I can't go too far here. I'm getting low on gas. We'll have to head back in.
Yeah, it's probably best we do. Hey? It's probably best we do. Oof. Look at the lightning is everywhere.
That doesn't mean we can't film a little, eh? I just want to go back in that ditch too much.
I'm gonna have to review that footage later. I didn't get the strike itself on film, but I got the, oh, wow.
I'm going to back up and I want to see what I'm backing up to.
Look at the wind and the rain.
Which I don't know if I can. Because it's so vicious out.
Oh, another one. Oh, hill again. Here we go.
I think we're all right. There.
Man. Man, my heart dropped when that.
I know, you gave me that look, eh?
Look at. They're not big, but you can see them. crap! I can't even get this on camera because it's so bad. Here. See, when there's no smoke, this is your results from
Right.
From
Remember what we were talking about last year? Destroyed it all, right?
Yeah. Remember that storm we had in July that was all green? That storm wasn't even as bad as these today.
This is early.
What do you think the wind is right now? It's pretty damn high.
You feel the van moving?
Yep.
Feel the van rocking, brother?
You gotta call Jay when we get home.
Oh, he'll see it. You post that.
No, but you should probably call him and tell him about it. And more hills coming. Well, you don't know how bad an Alberta storm really is until you're right in the bulk of it.
Right?
Remember that storm we had when Janelle was there, the hill coming in the grass? Imagine if we went to chase that, your van would have been vented. I imagine people have lost their power. The van is like shaking right now.
Feel it?
We had a vision today. We got it.
Well, we got in the eye of it now, right? 'Cause we couldn't catch it last night.
But we caught some great beauty on
Oh my God. Did you catch some of that stuff on videos, Ethan, when we were driving into those rainbows?
Yeah.
Good, beautiful.
I caught the lightning strike. Ah, I just missed it. Man, the van is still shaking. I'm calling Nick, my grandma, after this when I get home. What would you say? That lightning strike was not even a half whatever away from us. A few hundred yards.
Oh, it sounded like pretty damn close. Like crap, right? I thought the engine blew out of the van or something.
There's going to be a lot of flooding with these storms. Was this the cell? Look, the cloud we were looking at Strathmore that looks so gnarly?
I think so. Then again, I don't know. There's so many of them around, right?
There was multiple severe warm cells today. you see that?
Did you catch it? You see my head right there?
I'm like literally shaking right now.
Picked up a notch there. You can watch this area over here.
Yeah. Lightning active area. That's where the lightning strikes are coming here. Where you're looking right now.
Right, maybe it'll hit there. I don't know where it's gonna, but it's been there the last few times. Look!
I got it!
Again!
I got it!
Feel that crash, hey?
I got it! I think I got it! Man, the storm tapered down, then it just picked back right up.
It all comes in ribbons, doesn't it?
I find the ribbons are the worst though because it hits all at once.
Right?
I think it's still hailing small pelts too.
I feel another big one's coming.
Right from over there too. It's just teetering. Where are these storms moving? It seems like to be lasting forever.
Just worked up, man. It does not like the heat.
Where are we right now anyway?
Pretty much in the south course from the south. This other side.
Yeah.
See that?
I'm trying to...
Smaller one?
I got a big one though on camera.
Really big one.
It almost struck that tree there. Did you see it? It struck one of the trees almost.
Right?
Good I made a call to come out, or else I would have missed all this activity. It's still hailing for frig's sake. This might be the cell that's heading towards Rum though. God, this is intense. Look at the ice built up in the door there. The wind is picking still. Oof. You gotta defrost it.
Hey, the gas bill here.
Yeah.
Sitting. Tell me that wasn't cool.
And it's still going. I never see. Oh my God, missed that.
Look at that. Just this light over there is.
But I mean, it's hell over there. We're driving right back into the core of the. Look at the rain.
Look at the fields. There's that thick of water, man, right away.
Oh my God, look at the storm just punished these.
Oh, yeah. Look at those fields, Ethan. There's no
Should we
water.
head back towards Strathmore, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, we got some flooding in the fields here, folks. Severe thunderstorm just punished. And it's not done, apparently. It's still coming down. I never seen anything like it. We're right under the anvil right now, too. I've been recording these storms for 47 minutes.
Well, if we're looking for them, found it today, son. Look at those fields just filled with water.
I'm gonna update the folks. Localized flooding right now. Fields are overloaded. I guess this is the one last step.
Look at the curtains.
Yeah.
It's so strong. Look, I've never seen that before.
Yeah, look at it.
Have you ever seen curtains like that?
No.
Wow, right there.
Yeah.
That's the coolest thing ever. I didn't know it was like that.
You don't know how crazy a storm can be in Alberta till you go right head on in the that?
Yeah, right? Wow, it's crazy. Right? Look over there, you can't even see it. Look.
Yeah. That cell has moved off, but we're still in an intense part of the storm. The last gas. Holy, that was insane. Can you smell the moisture from it? There was so much lightning too. And it doesn't appear to be done yet. I'm gonna keep it over here to see if I can get some secondary lightning strikes. Holy. That's gonna be one of the craziest storm videos on my channel by far. It's gonna be driving right. We were right in it too. We weren't missing the core today. And look, where we're going, what is it? Still dark as an old thing. It probably hasn't weakened.
That was vicious over there, right? That was a good turn down that road, wasn't it? We're just lucky. We're just trying stuff, right? That's pretty dark. You should get a few more cracks out of that.
Oh man.
Hear that?
Where was that lightning strike that hit the tree? I'm gonna have to review the footage. I had it right there when it
I
stopped.
would say it was too far beyond that tree line behind it, right?
Jeez, it's still raining hard. I'm gonna